That cop just...
He is low-key waiting for us to commit illegal.
He just ran through a red light. He doesn't have his lights on.
You're gonna get us in jail again, man. Yeah, he turned his lights on.
Gun now, bro.
But there's two of them. Damn.
Bruh.
He just ran into us. What the heck?
This cop is better to play the game.
Bruh! This this guy is literally involved, bro. Get out of here. Yo. Man.
Hey, you got him. Get it.
Dumbass bitch. What? Oh. Oh, there was another cop, man. Alright. Well, pick my ammo up.
I'm stuck.
Get out of the car and pick my ammo up, man. You didn't do nothing.
I'm gonna get arrested now for no reason.
You didn't do nothing illegal.
Oh, I'm trolling you. He's trying to tase me.
Pick the ammo up and reload it and beam that boy.
He's trying to tase me.
Yo, do not waste the ammo, man. You gotta pick it up.
Help.
Pick the ammo up.
He's trying to tase me.
Pick the ammo up.
He keeps trying to tase me. He keeps trying to tase me. Oh, wait. No, wait. Oh, it tased me.
Are you in jail?
Clipped.
What happened?
Clipped.
What happened?
This guy is arresting me for no reason.
Oh, word. Did you actually clip it?
Yeah. Clip. Oh,
You're such a Sigma. Oh my god. Alright, low-key, I feel like the police are getting a little tired now. I'm gonna rob this ATM and block smart. I feel like they're getting a little lazy now. Need to keep them on their toes type shit.
I'm telling him I'm recording. I'm getting this guy cooked.
Alright, yo, if you're getting...
Come hit this guy, bro.
What do you mean come hit him? You're all the way, like... Oh, like across the map from me, bro.
I'm at whatever it's called.
Alright, I'm robbing this ATM. I don't care. I'm going to jail. I feel like going to jail again. Oh, never mind. The ATM was robbed too recently. Looks like it's not my time to go to jail yet. Where are you?
Same place you got arrested. Just come ram the officer. He's waiting outside in the car.
I didn't get arrested. You mean the place where we got, like, I got killed?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm coming. I stole this guy's car. I don't have a gun, but if you do, are you able to drop yours?
He set him by fire.
Wait, did my gun drop?
Oh, we got switched down.
Did my gun drop?
Yeah, the officer took it. Wait, get the officer just got killed. Come take his shit. Yo, W.
Where is it?
Oh, he had it. He brought it. I don't know. Did it not fall?
There was only ammo.
Dang, bro.
This guy's car's
That's
open though.
fine.
Where you at?
You can just buy a new one. I'm dead. The guy who just saved me also killed me. Bro, I clipped it. This cop.
Hello?
He missed like 20 pictures.
Yo, this guy just randomly put me in jail.
Oh, it's because you stole ammo. Say it was your own.
Evidence theft?
Say it was your ammo and you are recording. You were just killed by a citizen. You're allowed to take your own stuff. Where are you, Palmer? Asshole, where are you, Palmer? Palmer? it was your own ammo.
Yeah, I've been recording this